call themselves football widows. I'm like, come in and watch the damn game then. It's about being a widow. Yeah, you're the one that got me into it. Let's watch the game. Absolutely. I'm like, wow, this is cool, man. Started getting shirts, listening about the players, watching that fucking defense. Defense this year is really looking good. I'll tell you what, they kicked it up a fucking notch last week. I don't know if they meant to or not, but they did. They did. They kicked it up a notch. Dad said they usually don't show a whole bunch before the regular season. I said, yeah, I know. I know how it is. Supposed to be checking out rookies and stuff too. You know, if somebody can help the team, they want to know how they play and what they're doing. Nose spray. You know, those pills too wouldn't hurt. You get a minute. Yeah. Down on Thursday. I feel pretty good. I hurt my little bit, though. I think I'll get in there and take me a shower before I sit here and talk myself out of it. It's a good possibility today. I'm really feeling this week, I'll tell you what.